The world relies on naturally grown products.
But farmers are facing a much more difficult world today.
Developing and nurturing a new plant variety for a decade or more makes it a very personal experience. Growing up, I didn't know that plant breeding existed as an industry, let alone a career.
I love this job because of the difference I can make. It's incredibly rewarding to take something from an idea and then see it out in the field or on the shelves of a supermarket.
So I can do something on a really small scale, but yet make a big impact on agriculture.
Plant breeding is necessary. It provides the bridge between academic science and the farmer's field.
I'm a plant breeder because, growing up, I was always interested in plants from a very young age. Today, I breed vegetables, and while we need to increase yield, we also need to increase shelf life and ensure varieties look desirable so that people want to eat them. Outside of work, I need time to reflect, clear my mind and quiet my thoughts, so it's nice to have the interplay between the two.
It's about working at a molecular level to develop strong varieties of crops that perform consistently year on year. However, plant breeding is a long-term process. We'll work on individual varieties for a decade, sometimes more. So I think it's quite important to have hobbies that allow you to see an immediate benefit.
I knew that I wanted to work with plants. I grew up in agriculture and always had a passion for growing things. Quite honestly, it's the best job in the world. I love the challenges and I love the variation.
I think we're in danger of seeing fewer plant breeders in the future. Children aren't being exposed to the natural world as much anymore, and instead, education is focusing on the digital environment. It jeopardises our understanding and advancement of the fundamental parts of life, such as food production.
Plant breeders are an extraordinary group of people. To be successful, they need to have the capacity for intense focus and dedication while having an appreciation of the natural world. It's one of the key roles in making an impact across the world and protecting our way of life going forward.